If you're not living under the rock, I believe you must have seen 3D videos like this and like this. And usually these videos takes a lot of time to create. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily create these videos in minutes using AI. If you're new here, my name is Gerard and I'm a easy flow tutorial. So I advise you to subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification, and also like this video. All right, so I won't waste time in the introduction. I'll just dive straight into the video and just get down to business. But I know that usually, creative video, 3D online videos like this can be really, really stressful. But in this age of AI, it's just like a walking path. And in this video, I'm going to show you everything step by step. So I will advise you not to skip any steps so that you don't miss out on this. And I will show you how to create, how to get prompts for this stuff, how to actually create images, consistent images, very important, and also how to convert this into videos. All right, so it's very, very important. If you look at channels that are doing this, they are breaking thousands and thousands and thousands of views on a YouTube channel. Also, you can use this idea and the information that you learn from this video to actually create a YouTube channel and also run this kind of content. And who knows, might be the next big thing, running 3D uh videos. I believe you have seen channels like this making this kind of content. It's really, really insane what AI can do. So, like I said, let's not waste time. Let's just get down to business. All right. So, I'll be switching to my laptop so you'll be able to follow up everything. I'll show you the clip of the prompt and everything that it needs to do. All right. So, let's get down to business. So, to get started, first of all, I've already generated the prompts. So, I trying to generate prompts for a 3D design. All right. So, this is the prompts are really created. You don't have to worry. I will leave the prompted description below. Be able to just pick it up there, then probably just work on it and then actually do yours. All right. So let's just hit enter. Um I've tried all right, Tragedy has generated something for us. All right, so let us work with this stuff. All right, so let's make use of the first one. So the next website I need to come to is Ideogram. All right, I've already spoken about this site here on my YouTube channel. All right, and this is how to use it. So what you need to do is I need to come here and paste the prompt here. All right, so here you're gonna come here and you're going to select 16 by 9 because we are making use of YouTube. All right, so that's a YouTube landscape size. All right, so we'll work with 16 by 9. All right, so when you select that, you can actually just play around here, to talk about the character, talk about the style, how you actually want the style to be like. All right, so but what I would advise is that you should just limit at the default that stays. All right, so because there are some you can just play around with character, play around with the size and all of that. So when you're done, you just hit generate. All right. And you actually have I think they say an option where you can select the number of images that you're going to create. All right. So when you're done, we just hit generate and you're going to give it a few seconds. It's not going to take much time. Just give it a few seconds and then generated this will be ready. As you can see the progress, it's already on 99% already. Yeah, as you can see here, we have 4 new images. All right, let's go through the images and see. All right, these are the images that were created. Uh, they're not looking back. They're not looking back. It's something that we can basically work with. All right, so when this is done, all you have to do is if you want to save, you just come, you can write, or you just come open the images like this, then click on download. There's download sign here. I just click on download and then you'll be able to download the images that you just created. It's that simple. All right, so the next thing now, I'm going to show you how you're going to convert these images to videos easily and not just create that cinematic look and make it look like all of these 3Ds are videos that you do see on YouTube. All right, so without wasting much time, let us get down to business. So what we need to do is that you need to come to lmarena.ai. I spoke about this in one of my video. It's for now it's free. Like you will need a Discord account to be able to access this. So let's just go to LM Arena. So when you come to LM Arena, you need to click on this drop down here, right here. and click on join Discord. So when you click on join Discord, it's going to bring it. If you don't have an account, that will prompt you, that will take you to a page where you have to sign up for the account, all of that. So when you sign into the account, the next page you're going to get to is actually this page. All right. So when you get here, what you need to do is that you scroll down to this video arena. So you either choose any of these video arenas. All right. So let's say you choose this one. All right. So you just come here and click on slash, then click on image to video. All right. So what you need to do right here is, as long as you already saved, I don't think I've saved any of this. So let me just save one of this. All right. You just get this downloaded. So let's go back to our Discord. All right. So here, there's a prompt section here. If you pay attention very well, there's a prompt section here. So all I have to do is I already generated a prompt using ChatGPT. All right, so you can I also leave this in the description, but just in case you want to make use of something like this. So when you do this, all you have to do is just to click hit enter. All right, so this is going to take 10 minutes for this video to be generated. All right, so it's kind of slow because it's free. I mean, it's free, so we can't really complain. All right, there are other there are other sites that you can use, but they are paid. They are like open art AI. That's also paid. So you can just opt to go for that if you want something very fast. If you're trying to make videos and you want something very fast, but this additional pool is only, so I just opted for this one. So this is we're going to get notified when this is done. So our video is ready. Let's just look at it. So it's been 10 minutes already. So when the video is ready, just come here and click on view videos. All right, so it's going to give us these videos that it's generated for us. So let's look at this. Okay, let's look at this. There are 2 videos, so let us look at this one. I feel like the second one is better. Yeah, the second one is better. So at the end of the video, you always have this watermark, which you can, during editing, you can just remove it or take it off. All right, so what I have to do is just to generate more images and bring it down here, and then I believe you already have your script, something you want to make like long form videos. So you can just generate these videos and come down here and do what you want to do. So I feel like it's really a great tool and a great way to generate 3D videos. All right, so that's that on it. Hope you find this interesting. So if you found this video useful, if you find this video interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification, and drop a comment just to encourage me in the comment section below. Any comment at all. All right, if you find it interesting, can you just drop interesting or any comment at all in the comment section below. But I really want you to drop that comment in the comment. If you're watching this and you watch at this point, please drop a comment in the comment section below to help this video rank properly on Google. Because for the past few months, I think my channel has been shadow banned. I've not really been getting the number of videos I'm supposed to get. So this is a way of helping me. Just drop a comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, which is very, very important. Please subscribe to my channel. All right, so see you guys in the next video.